Hello everyone, I am Richa, your life and leadership coach, clinical hypnotherapist, counselor and a healer. I am the founder of MindSpring, an alternate healing and research center based out of Gurgaon. We have all been locked inside our houses for many weeks now and we don't know till when this is going to continue. This seems to have become our new normal, and this series is my effort to help you adapt seamlessly to this new normal. And in today's video, the tip that I'm going to share with you is stick to that routine. Human beings by nature, we always need something to look forward for, something that keeps us inspired and motivated. What will happen if we do not have anything like that? We all will become completely demoralized and we might even lose that want or will to do something in life. We will lose all that enthusiasm. So please design a proper structure to your day, and this structure should have two parts: a macro level structure and a micro level structure. In macro level structure, put activities that are that you have to do every day. For example, getting up time, breakfast time, lunch time, going for your work at your workstation that time, all these activities. In the micro level structure, put the miscellaneous activities that just come up. For example, paying for bills, paying for your child's tuition fee. You know that you have to do all these things. So at night when you go to sleep, just make a note of these things in your to-do list. So having that structure in place will really keep you motivated and keep you going even in these tough times. Also, one more thing that I wanted to share with you was that get ready as if you are getting ready for work. So pretend that you are going to office, dress up, go at the right time and sit at your workstation wherever you have put it in your house. So pretend as if you're going to work. That will keep you inspired from inside. So I hope you liked this tip that I've just shared with you in today's video, and I'll see you once again tomorrow with another new tip. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.